2011. There is the left post lifter. The Bay Bridge, San Francisco, that's raising the portions of the bridge that are on the temporary bridge. And going under the construction site here, and you'll see the reddish brown bridge is the temporary bridge, and the silver bridge up there is the new bridge, which is going to be held up by cabling for the pylon cable, and you can see about where they're supposed to go. And we're actually going under the temporary bridge and the new bridge. All of this will be removed, hopefully, in time. We'll run around here, and with the sun out of our way, hopefully we can get some shot of the pylon that's being built. And it's a little dark, I know, but it's actually 4 columns that are linked together. The pylon that's going to hold this baby up, believe it or not. Supposedly will stay in place during earthquakes and floods. So there it is, the new pylon going on San Francisco Bay Bridge, January 6th, 2011. Too much sunshine here. And I'm going to pan back to the South Bay of San Francisco, around on the sailing vessel MiVida, and give you some shots of